Alright guys, let's see how it's looking outside. Woo. Do you hear this? It is quiet in Harlem right now. It is never quiet. Look at this. And it's still snowing right now. Look how much snow it is. It is thick. Ah! Look at this big random lump. You know, that's old snow. Look at all this. Look at that taxi cab. Not paying attention. Getting windy. So pretty outside. Oh, stop playing. Look at it, all of New York. Quiet. Someone's still getting delivery. Gotta tip that Uber driver right there.